Hello friends, my name is Anuja and I am a certified medical coder. In today's video, I am going to review one of the most renowned medical coding institutes to help you decide whether you should begin your CPC exam preparation journey with them. But before I jump into the actual review, I want to share the 10 important points that I will consider in this review series. This will help you understand exactly what matters when choosing the right institute. First, I will talk about the accreditation and recognition of the institution. Is it officially recognized? Is it aligned with industry standards like AAPC guidelines? Next, I will review whether the curriculum is updated and detailed. Does it cover the latest coding guidelines? Is it aligned with current CPC exam patterns? I will also evaluate the teacher's experience. Are they certified coders themselves? Do they have real industry exposure? I will also check whether they provide hands-on training, real-life case studies, and practice exercises as a part of curriculum. I will speak about the exam, CPC exam preparation, all support that you get from the institution, internship and job after completion of the course, access of updated coding books. If yes, for how long? Is it for a limited time or is it for a lifetime? Do they provide access to updating coding books? I will also be talking about delivery options, whether is it online, offline or hybrid. I will also analyze reviews from past students, whether they are successfully cleared the AAPC CPC exams. Finally, I will evaluate whether the course fee is justified, the duration is appropriate, flexible payment options are available. So now let's begin the review. Okay, so let's start with the review. We have CIGMA Medical Coding. The CEO of this institute is Neetu MT. And this institute offers various medical coding courses, out of which AI medical coding and billing is there, and it is aligned with AAPC. They are covering AI, which is one of the most advanced topic required today to be a medical coder. And its duration is for 3 months. Mode of training is online and offline both. AAPC exclusive curriculum they have with certified coaches. LMS tools also they are providing. Now let's check the curriculum. They have 8 modules, including ICD, CPT, HIPIX coding, and these are the most important topics to be covered in any medical coding institutes. Okay, they are also making you prepare for mock tests, which can be helpful for you further before giving any medical coding exams. And AAPC exam preparation also is there. They have not listed the course fees, and also they have not listed anything about the internship. Basic things they have not listed, like certification, internship, about the books and software also they have not listed. Okay, so now let's rate this institute according to these parameters. For accreditation and recognition, as it is aligned with AAPC, so I would rate it 1. Updated and comprehensive curriculum, yes, they have, so I would rate this 1. Qualified and experienced instructors, yes, they have certified coaches, so I would rate this 1. Practical training and case studies, this part they haven't mentioned clearly, so I would rate it 0.2. Then certification exam preparation support, yes, they are making you prepare for AEPC exams, so I would rate this 1. Internship and job placement assistance, they haven't talked anything about the internship, so I would give it 0.2. Access to updated coding books and software, nothing was mentioned, so I would rate it 0. Flexible learning options, online and offline, yes, both they have, so I would rate it 1. Student reviews and success rates, they have alumni reviews, you can check it out by yourself, so I would rate it 1. Course fees, duration, and payment options. Course fees is not that, payment option is also not there, so I would rate it 0.2. Okay, so the overall ranking is 6.4. They have updated curriculum, but the only thing is missing is about the internship and about the practical training part. So I so I think you can consider this course, but also I have mentioned one of the best medical coding institute, which covers all these parameters and give you 100% placement guarantee. So you should definitely check it out. The link is in the description. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching.